Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to automate leave notifications using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. When an employee submits a leave request, it's essential that HR receives a timely notification to process the request quickly. Automated email notifications can ensure HR is instantly alerted to new leave submissions, preventing delays and improving response times. These notifications can also keep employees informed about the status of their requests, helping build trust and transparency in the leave request process. So how to set up email notification automation using xFanatical Foresight. Instructions. Set up a Google form for leave requests that captures essential leave details such as employee email, leave start date, leave end date, half day, leave type and reason for leave. Rule creation. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the form response submitted trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Choose the leave request form that will start this automation process. This will capture the details as the form submits. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, select the Get Form Response Info action. In this step, select the same form used in the trigger to capture submission data. Specify the form response ID to retrieve specific details from the form response. Step 3. Click Add Next Action and select Get User Info. This action will extract the manager's email address, which will be used to notify them about the form submission. Step 4. Finally, select Email as Add Next Action to send system email to manager and other recipients. Configure the email with the following details. 2. Manager's email. TC. The form submitter, employee, the applicant, and HR. Subject. Customize the subject line as appropriate. Email body. Use a template that autofills details from the form response, giving the manager complete details of the leave form. Sender configuration. Set the sender as a system email with a display name like HR Department. Click Review. Step 5. Enter the rule name. Click Create. The rule will be triggered on leave request form submission. Result verification. Submit a leave request form to trigger the rule. Look for the notification in the top right-hand corner and click on it. Check the Logs page for details. Then, check the email notification and confirm that the HR and managers received an email notification with the correct form details. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.